So if personal hotspot is missing from your iPhone, so how to fix this? So what you have to do, you have to just go to settings, just go to cellular, tap on it, and make sure the cellular data option is turned on. Okay, and then just go back and tap on personal hotspot and turn it on. Okay, so this is one of the way. If cellular data is already turned on, so what you can do, you can turn it off, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on again, and then try again by creating the personal hotspot. If this does not get fixed, one more thing which you can do is try changing the name of your phone. So basically that will be shown to others when they will try to join your personal hotspot. The name of your phone is shown to others as a network name. So just go to settings and go to general and tap on about and tap on name, and make sure try to change the name to something else. Okay, so that you can remember it. And now just go back, go to cellular, turn it off, wait for a few seconds, and turn back it on again, and then try to create a personal hotspot and turn it on to show others the network and let them try to join your personal hotspot. Now if all this fails, what you can do, you can reset your network settings. So in the settings, just go to general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and finally tap on reset network settings. Okay, just tap on reset network settings, and after that try again and your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys. Please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching the Geek Page.